Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking into the orderly airdrop. Airdrops are near, yes! I'm really excited about this one because I may actually start making my money back. I'm not good at trading, I'm good at placing losing trades, but after close to 2 years, I guess, of using orderly, they have finally announced the order airdrop. Best news, early near users will be included. There's just one really big catch. You must bind your Near wallet to your EVM wallet before June 27. So this video is going to be quick and easy and hopefully with a happy ending because we'll be going step by step on how to bind your Near wallet. It's actually very simple, but we'll do it together because it's fun. Okay, let's jump in. So a little bit of history. Orderly is available through the Ref Finance. If you go to Order Book and click Perpetual, you'll find a front end for Orderly. It offers 10x leverage and it also has spot. And I'm pretty sure that the spot volume has also been taken into account. The reason why I find it interesting is all the Orderly pairs are USDC.E, so they're still using the wrapped version. But if you were a Ref user, you may have noticed that if you swapped a token, especially wrapped BTC or Ethereum, let's do that around, with USDC directly, you can see how it automatically checks for the both prices and sends us to Orderly. You only get this suggestion if you're trading into USDC directly, but it's a nice hack. I actually put a lot of volume that way. There's also a second front end for Orderly on the Near protocol, and that is BTSE DEX, BTSE DEX. It has the same offering, it's just that the interface is a little bit different. Last thing I mentioned before we check our airdrop allocation, this is going to be exciting, is the road to the order is still going on. So even if you're not getting any airdrop allocation for your past trades or being a early near user, you can still come check out the road to the order. You can still put volume with some of the other EVM orderly front ends. You'll find them all here. And there's also the ability to add liquidity to the pools on Elixir. So without further ado, let's check our allocation. Let's go to airdrop allocation. Check your order allocation. Are you excited? I am. Okay, so I've already connected my Ethereum wallet, and right below we can see the connect and bind Near wallet. So connect, Meteor wallet, the handle at Near, approve the transaction, and yes! Oh my god, I'm getting 542.16 order. Exciting news. What I'll do is we'll proceed with binding the Near wallet to the Ethereum. A couple of notes here. You can only bind one Near account to one Ethereum account, but super useful tip. What I did before, I'm actually cheating already near my allocation. What I did before is, before you bind, you can log in with one Ethereum wallet and you can just connect and disconnect multiple Near accounts. I had like 7 or 8. I checked all 7 or 8 just to know which ones have an allocation. And then I can go back and plan. I have a little bit of a spreadsheet with all the EVM accounts and all the Near accounts and knowing what's where. That's just an easy way to do it. Okay, so let's bind. Continue. Approve the transaction. Your wallet have been binded successfully. Yeah. So that's it. Super easy, couple of clicks, and I hope that you're all getting a fat, chunky allocation. Last thing, Conspiracy Corner, as always, we could not miss. I found another trading platform, Avo, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, and these are slightly higher on the degeneracy spectrum, and they actually have pre-market listing for some tokens. So in the pre-market perpetual for the order token, it is currently priced around $1 per token. And someone that I kind of respect and knows a lot says that he's expecting it to go to $2 per token. So if we go by this, my allocation is somewhere between $500 and $1,000, which is not bad at all. It's actually a one-way trip to Europe, so you may see me at ETC in Brussels. Also, friends, that's it for me. Let me know in the comment section below if you're getting any airdrop, if the video is clear, and just anything else you want to let me know. See you soon. Bye.